Made some big steps on the camper today. Got the roof all patched up. No more broken glass. All's been taken to plexiglass. I frosted the glass just with a sander, and the sander broke for the second pane, but still good enough for the bathroom. Got these two fixed. Looking nice. Got the hot water heater back in and got the new heater put in. All just temporary for now. I also fixed the trailer jack, 2 bolts and 1 big self-tapper because I couldn't reach around to the front there. Here's these windows from the inside.